Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video ay i-present ko sa inyo yung articulated task ng grade 5. O kasi nung grade 5 dyan or page group teacher kayo ng grade 5, pwede nyo itong magamit na articulated task or PETA para sa inyong mga grade 5 pupils. And this is also for my grade 5 pupils. So, allow me to share my screen. Okay. So, this is articulated task, third quarter for grade 5 pupils. So, meron tayong theme, transformative rhetorians, healthy presentation for a drug-free place. So, ito ay articulated lang sa health naman. Sorry, nabulol ako. Sa health and computer lang. Okay, so this is the transfer goal. The learner is expected to demonstrate their understanding by giving tips on how to protect one's health in refusing to use drugs through creating MS PowerPoint presentation. And this is your goal. Your goal for this task is to create a MS PowerPoint presentation with content about the tips on how to protect one's health by refusing to use drugs. Your role is you are a health advocate or a web designer. Ang audience nyo ay youth, mga kabataan, and this is a sample situation. As a health advocate, you are conducting a seminar in Barangay 390 with the theme, Keep Your Space with a Drug-Free Place, to educate the people in the community, especially the young ones. With the collaboration of the web designer, they create a MS PowerPoint presentation featuring the tips on how to protect one's health by refusing to use or abuse getaway drugs so that they have any material to present during the session. This is your product, MS PowerPoint presentation, shows valuable tips on how to protect one's health by refusing to use drugs. These are the criteria. Slide consistency. Make sure the presentation consistently applies a well thought out theme, transitions, and animations, enhancing overall visual appeal. Graphics and multimedia. Effectively incorporates relevant and high-quality graphics, images, and multimedia elements that enhance the overall presentation. Next, syempre, importante din ang text, font, choice, and formatting. So, make sure that text, fonts, and formatting are consistently used and appropriate for the content, ensuring readability and visual appeal. Also, the creativity and originality. The presentation demonstrates exceptional creativity and originality, showcasing innovative ideas that captivate the audience. And also the overall impact. The presentation has a powerful impact, leaving a lasting impression on the audience through its content, organization, and visual design. So all you have to do is to send your output through Google Classroom, pwedeng email, teacher's email address, or Gmail, sending a G Drive link, or save it on removable disk or flash drive. So maraming means to send your output. Next, articulated tasks, third quarter for grade 5 pupils. We have the theme, Transformative Rhetorians, Nourishing Body, Mind, and Home, Exploring the Holy Eucharist, Communication, and Time Management. This is articulated sa English, Hele, CLE, and Mathematics. This is the transfer goal. The learner is expected to demonstrate their understanding in the meaning of the Holy Eucharist in his or her life, orally communicating information, opinions, and ideas effectively, and applying knowledge of time in mathematical problems and real life situations through creating pamphlets showcasing skills in self care and household chores that contribute to home organization. Your goal? Your goal is to create pamphlets showcasing skills in self-care and household chores that contribute to home organization, reflecting the values of faith, effective communication, and practical life skills. Your role? You are a pamphlet creator who shares essential tips and strategies for maintaining a well-organized home through self-care and household chores. Your audience, ang audience nyo ay people in the community or the readers. We have a sample situation. You are a pamphlet creator working on a project for your local community center. The community center is hosting a family wellness event where families from diverse backgrounds will gather to learn about self care, household organization, and the importance of the Holy Eucharist in their lives. Your task is to design informative pamphlets that offer practical tips and strategies for maintaining harmonious and well organized home environment while incorporating the significance of the Holy Eucharist in fostering faith and unity within families. This is your product, a pamphlet that offers valuable tips and strategies for maintaining an organized and harmonious home environment. Okay, these are the criteria. And we have the attractiveness and organization. Make sure the pamphlet has exceptionally attractive, formatting, and well-organized information. Also, the content accuracy. Make sure that all facts in the pamphlet are accurate. Next is the graphics or pictures. Graphics go well with the text, and there is a good mix of text and graphics. Next, spelling and proofreading. No spelling errors remain after reading and correcting the pamphlet. Here are the 4 title examples that you can use kung wala kayong maisip. Pero kung meron naman kayong naisip, yun na lang yung gamitin nyo. Pero kung wala, ito na lang. These are pamphlet examples, title examples that you can use, that you may use. First is taking care of myself and my home. Second, the Holy Eucharist, inspiring care at home. Third, chores, time, and faith, a guide for a happy home. Fourth, organizing your day, your chores, and your life. Okay, another dami namang articulated task. Another articulated task for grade 5 sa third quarter. We have also the theme, Transformative Rhetorians, Electronic Marvels, Unleashing Innovation, Fitness, and Artistry. So this is articulated sa science, arts, and PE subject. So ito po yung transfer goal. The learner is expected to demonstrate their understanding in proposing an unusual tool or device using electromagnet that is useful for home, school, or community, and participates and assesses performance in physical activities through providing a detailed illustration of your electromagnetic tool, which includes a variety of prints using lines, thick, thin, jagged, ribbed, fluted, woven lines to produce visual texture. Your goal is to design an unusual tool or device using electromagnet that is useful for homeschool, or community by providing a detailed illustration of it, which includes a variety of prints using lines to produce visual texture. Your role: an innovative aspiring inventor. Audience: community members who are eager to see your inventive ideas. So we have a sample situation here. Our city mayor requested you to propose an unusual device or tool that will help the people in the community in their daily activities. So you will promote a detailed illustration of its parts on the second page. Name your device and discuss how it works, including its unique features and creativity. This is the product, an illustration of your invention with description text. These are the criteria: content, student state the purpose, intended audience, and explain how the invention works. Explanation is clear and detailed. Neatness and effort. Writing is clear and easy to read. Project shows great effort. Invention illustration. The illustration represents the invention, is neatly colored and includes detail. For example, here is the drawing of the Eco Sweep bot, designed as a solar-powered street cleaning robot with labeled features like waste compartments, a sensor system, and a sprayer. So, example lang to. So, pwede kayong mag-invent ng unusual tool, simple unusual tool. Pwede magamit sa bahay, sa community, sa school. Katulad nito. Then, the proposal for community service. Device name, EcoSweepBot. Introduction. You give introduction, introduce your invention. To address the challenge of maintaining clean streets and ensuring a healthier community environment, I propose the EcoSweepBot. This innovative machine is designed to collect, sort, and dispose of garbage effectively while promoting eco-friendly practices. And how it works. So you will explain how it works. Like the EcoSweepBot is a compact, solar-powered street cleaning robot that automatically patrols designated areas. It uses advanced sensors to detect waste and distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable and recyclable materials. The waste is then collected and sorted into separate compartments. And the features of your invention. These are the unique features, or i-label nyo lang yung parts ng tool. Kumbaga, anatomy. Pwedeng anatomy ng inyong tool. Parts. Ano yung parts ng mga tool, ng ng invention na yan, ng device na yan. Then explain. And thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you po.